First, let's start with the kitchen. There is no apparent damage here. We are documenting the area of the living room, dining room that is all integrated just to see if some part of the floor was affected. This is the hallway. And here we have 3 doors. Now, let's go to the bathroom. That is where the water damage is. You can see that the water came from the toilet. Let's take some photos. There is a lot of mold growth near the tub. I take some more pictures. Now, let's go to the bedrooms to see if they got affected. Now let's go to the other room. Everything looks good. There's also a small closet. So we add it. Let's scan the laundry room. Here we can clearly see some water damage coming up from the washing machine. Now we have the full scan and save the scanning. With all the photos and videos taken on each of the rooms. We can blur this label here and indicate the water here. Now, we can export our sketch to Verisk.